Hello, my little friends. How are you? This is Manan Soni. Welcome you in our today's mathematics class. Guys, you can see on the screen. Today, I will teach you how to convert improper fraction to mixed and mixed fraction into improper fraction. So, first of all, if you did not watch my video, last video, I suggest if you want to get idea about proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction, you can see my last video regarding fractions. But here, now you know you are if you are aware of it, improper fractions means numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. So now, without wasting time, yes, you can see on the screen. Yes, sir, I will give one example like 5 upon 3. So 5 is bigger because it is numerator, and in improper fraction, numerator is bigger. So now, what is basic method to convert improper into mixed fraction? That is simple applied division method, like divide 5 by 3. You can see on the screen. So I will speak table of 3, and that is 3 ones are 3. Yes. Now I will subtract 5 minus 3. So answer is 2. Now you can see I have actually 3 positions here. 3 is in center position, 2 is in below, means lower position, and 1 is in upper position. So now I will make same kind of positions to convert into mixed fraction. See, when I do this line, you automatically get 3 positions. Mid position means you can see, yes, it is mid position, then upper position, and then lower position. You can see the cursor movement on the screen. Yes. So now what did I do? I did division. Now you have to just rotate your 3 digits, 3, 2, and 1 into anti-clockwise direction, like 3 will go downside. So write down 3. 2, it will go upside. So write down 2 here. And these one, yes, we will write 1 in mid position. So now you can see the number is converted into mixed fraction. Now, how can we speak it, sir? At present, you can see there are 2 parts in the number. One is called as whole part, and 2 upon 3 is called as fraction part. So now answer is very simple. It is called as 1 whole 2 upon 3, or sometimes whenever you learn your integer chapter, you can also speak like 1 integer 2 by 3 or 2 upon 3. Now, did you notice something? हमारा जो भी improper fraction होता है means the improper fraction denominator is 3 and mixed fraction denominator is also 3. So now you have to remember, whenever you convert improper into mixed fraction, denominator will not change. If there is change in denominator, then you can assume, you can get, sir, there can be some mistake in my answer. Now I will give one more example of conversion from improper to fraction, mixed fraction. Now, suppose I give you example like 11 upon 7. So write down 11 divided by 7. Now you have to just pick table of 7. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. 14 is bigger than 11. So I will take 7 ones are 7. Now subtract both. So 11 and 7. Subtraction answer you will get 4. Now what you will do to get the answer? Sir, first of all, 7 will go downside, 4 will come upside, and 1 will come in mid position. So write down, chalo, 7 is here, 4 will go upside, and 1 will come in mid position. So now this is the way how you can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. Now, I hope you got this point. Now I will teach you how you can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So simply I give example 2 whole 2 upon 5. Now you can see 2 is called, this 2 is whole part and 2 upon 5 is fraction of mixed fraction. So now the answer is very simple. This is your first sum. So I will write formula for you. You can see 2 is called as whole part. So I will write whole multiply by denominator. Means W multiply by D plus you have to add numerator and then finally you will write same denominator in the answer. So that is your formula. See, I am repeating again. What is your whole part? 2, correct. What is your denominator? That is 5. And what is your numerator? That is 2. Now multiply 2 and 5. 5 2s are 10. So you will write 10 plus. What is your numerator? Numerator is actually 2. And then write down denominator 5 as it is. So denominator will be here. And now you can write your answer 10 plus 2. So answer is 12 upon 5. See, this one was your first sum. And you have to remember this formula. See, I did a round. I did a circle on it. So now, how you can convert mixed fraction into improper? Simple. Whole multiplied by denominator plus numerator and divide by denominator. But now it is very primary method. Whenever student start learning of mixed fraction to improper fraction, this formula is applicable. But now, whenever you will study further in upper standard, you have to use this formula directly without calculation. And you can also give without any calculation. I will give one another example like 10 whole 1 by 7. Now you can see, if you want to get answer, sir, answer is very simple. Multiply 10 and 7 and add 1. So 10 7s are 70. 70 plus 1. Our answer is 71 upon 7. See how simple. So you can do this work without writing your formula. I hope you got my answer. And remember one thing, we can never convert proper fractions into mixed fraction. We can convert only improper fractions into mixed fractions. Now, I will explain you one another important point, and that is very simple. And the topic is, here it is on the screen. Now you can see the topic is like fractions and unlike fractions. Sir, what is meaning of like fractions? It is not like on the Facebook or like on the Instagram, right? So now you can see, sir, like fractions means it is very simple. If denominators are same, then the fractions are called as like fractions. For example, I will write here 2 by 3 and 5 by 3. Now you can see here denominators are common. Both have 3 and 3. So now 2 by 3 and 5 by 3 are called as like fractions. Can you imagine one more example? Okay, please imagine. Okay, yes. If you are in the correct way, then your answer is correct. See, I will write one more example, 5 by 7 and another 6 by 7. So 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. These both are also like fractions. So now, by default, you can get and assume your answer of unlike fractions. If fractions have different denominators, then they are called as unlike fractions. For example, here I can write 3 by 5, and you can write any other like 10 upon 11. Sorry. So now you can see here first denominator is 5 and second denominator is 11. So these type of fractions are called as unlike fraction. And remember one thing, I already uploaded one video for addition and simple means shortest method of addition and like subtraction. If I did not upload it, then I will upload it. Okay. So now you can see here, whenever you have to add fractions, the fractions must be like fractions. Means the denominator of both fractions must be equal. For example, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. We can add them directly without doing any LCM method because denominator is common and that is 7. Now add 5 and 6 directly. So you will get your answer 11 upon 7. So now you can see it is very simple. But sir, what about unlike fractions? Suppose we want to add unlike fractions, then you have to just apply very simple and shortcut method. You can apply cross multiplication method like 11 and 3 multiply. So you will get 33 plus here you will multiply 5 and 10. So 5 multiply by 10 you will get 50 and upon you have to multiply both denominators and answer is 11 5s are 55. Now simply add these two numbers and you will get 0 plus 3 3, 5 plus 3 8. So 83 upon 55. So that is your answer. So now you can see how you can identify like fractions and unlike fractions. Now, I will explain you one more important thing regarding your fraction chapter, and that is called as simplest form. Now you can see on the screen, I wrote here 10 upon 12. So guys, first of all, you know the factors. I can write 10 like this, 5 2s are 10, and here I can write 6 2s are 12. Now you can see 2 is common factor in numerator as well as in denominator. So now we can cut 2 and 2. So final answer will be 5 upon 6. Means we can convert 10 by 12 into 5 by 6. So it is called as simplest form of given fraction. And now you can see we cannot cut any more factor. So actually 5 1s are 5 and 6 1s are 6. Means whenever you get simplest form of the fraction, we will get only one common factor of numerator and denominator, and that will be only 1, numeric value 1. I can give any other example, so you will get the answer. See, let me take another example. Suppose somebody write like, sir, 20 by 24. Now, suppose student get factor like, sir, 10 2s are 20, and I can write, sorry, it is not 14. By mistake, I wrote 14. So now I can write, sir, 12 2s are 24. So I can cut 2 and 2. Okay, now you will get answer 10 upon 12. So many students think like, sir, I finished my sum. I got simplest form of 20 upon 24. But no, sorry, you are little bit wrong because you can cut more. Here you can cut like 5 2s are and cut 6 2s are. So we can cut 2 more, and now final answer will be 5 by 6. Now you can check. After cutting this factor, now you have none other common factor other than 1. Means whenever you get your simplest form of fraction, you have to check it. You can check without doing calculation. Make sure the numerator and denominator, both numbers common factor must be numeric value 1, and then it is called as simplest form of fraction. So guys, let me finish my lecture. I hope you like it, and please, if you really like my teaching method, please share more, and you can get advantage as well as many students can get this advantage. Bye. Take care. Jai Mahakal.